Okay, I'm at Sam's Club. Until November 25th of 2023, you can get this Bissell Clean View Rewind bagless vacuum for $90. I would say it's okay. I mean, this is honestly going to be fairly easy to maintain. And comes with the cord reel. I'm not a big fan of that, but Bissells are generally easier to take care of. So yeah, so if you are in need of a simple budget vacuum cleaner, has a turbo brush, it has cord rewind and stuff, I would look for the Bissell Clean View Rewind 2.0 at Sam's Club for about $90. Just one to consider. Yeah, just think about it. I would say this is worth looking into. It's gonna be a lot better than a Shark or some other junk like that in terms of maintenance and reliability. So yeah. So thank you for watching.